Here we are, folks, in the GTA Toronto, looking for some nice quality tile installations. Give us a call at 416-937-8115. We'll get you the great installations, nice licensed contractors. So as you're looking here, we have a nice 12 by 24 marble with nice octagon sheets in the middle. You know, nice fixtures, finally finished. I did some videos before and after now, finished product. So give us a call at 416-937-8115 and you can get this type of quality installations at your place. I'm just going to walk about 2 or 3 washrooms right now, and you can see this whole nice custom house of the work that we can do for you. We have a nice mirror image here, pot lights, lights on the ceiling, mirror image right down to the floor. Very nice custom jambs and bench, as you can see.